would like to introduce myself. My name is Alex Fernando Martua Silaban, but you can call me Alex. I was born on 1 March 2003 in Purwakarta. I'm 17 years old now. I live in Bekasi, West Java. I'm student of the Faculty of Law, Semarang State University. My hobby is swimming, cycling, and playing table tennis. Now I want to tell about my hometown. Bekasi City is located in the province of West Java, Indonesia. Bekasi City has become a metropolitan city and no longer a metropolitan. It is incorporated in the Mega Jabodetabek and is the fourth major city in Indonesia. Bekasi is a city that is parallel to other highly developed cities such as Jakarta, Bandung, or Bogor. Bekasi is now very advanced, especially in terms of urban planning, buildings, culinary, fashion style, access to transportation or roads, and densely populated. Even though Bekasi has become a topic of conversation for the general public and on social media they call Bekasi a very basic place because it is far from other cities. If you want to go to Bekasi, you have to ride a rocket or you have to go to Bekasi outside the planet. And the hot weather in the city of Bekasi is like burning the skin. The sun is hot for 1%. People say about Bekasi because they say the weather in Bekasi is very hot. In terms of urban planning, Bekasi is currently very dense. Unlike in the past, at the time it was still full, or at least there were rice fields, yards, and lakes in every area in Bekasi city, which is now filled with houses, malls, or high-rise buildings. The population has increased rapidly to become very dense, and if you want to enter the Bekasi area, the roads are already congested with traffic because people who leave the city or area mostly have moved or come to Bekasi. This is what causes the population of Bekasi to be dense. No longer or rarely empty land in Bekasi and Jakarta cities, just like a traffic jam, and the Bekasi city government is again carrying out the process of making 1,000 gardens or flowers on every road in Bekasi. Kaum Tiga Bojorangkas. Kaum Tiga Bojorangkas Tourism Place is nature tourism in Cikarang, Bekasi, with the concept of family theme park and adventure in the wild, which ensures the certification of tourists. A new tourist spot with a natural panorama of pine forest is a beautiful dish shooting the AS. In addition, Wisata Kaum Tiga Bojorangkas also has complete facilities that will meet all the needs of tourists. As one of the popular tourist attractions in Cikarang, Bekasi, which occupies a large area of land and was only opened on 17 November 2018. Until now, it is still a hit tourist attraction in Cikarang. This tourist spot with the adventure concept turned out to also offer great photos spots to capture the moment. Many tourists come from afar just to take selfies with his Instagrammable selfie spot. This adventure tourism place in Bekasi also has a number of great photo spots. The most favorite for visitors is the boat-shaped viewing post. In addition, there is another spot in the form of a wooden gate that says "Welcome to Wisata Kaum Tiga Bojorangkas Bekasi." There is also a photo spot of colorful umbrellas mounted on the ceiling and a night view. For tourists who want to enjoy a romantic atmosphere, come at night. The beauty of nature at night look more exotic. When night comes, a number of bright yellow lights fill the air. Uniquely, at night there is one romantic spot called Alam Cinta or Lorong Cinta. If you come with loved one, it will be such a romantic place, especially if you want to come and brew hot coffee at the Kaung Tiga Bojorangkas Tourism Cafe. While watching the tourist panorama, of course, will be a memorable experience and a really fun sensation. As the name suggests, this cake is made from processed glutinous rice. Maybe you have seen these cakes in your area, but each region has its own uniqueness. In the Bekasi area, it must become a symbol of unity, made from a mixture of sticky rice and brown sugar. It makes the work tasty, sweet, and soft. This sticky rice cake can also be your choice when looking for souvenirs. Lots of shops in Bekasi that sell sticky rice in packs. The sweet and sticky tasty of the sticky wok will certainly make you want to try it again and again. In accordance with the symbol of friendship, the sticky wajik cake is perfect to eat when gathering with friends and relatives. Rengginang. Rengginang is a snack which has the main ingredients of rice. The rice is processed and dried in the hot sun, after which it is dry. Then the rice is fried until it expands. Rengginang is a savory and addictive tasty, so you will definitely want to eat again and again.